Robotics has advanced so much in recent times, reaching the point of being confused with humans by perfectly imitating our expressions. In some people, it can cause terror and fascination. In others, but there is no doubt that it is an amazing advance. Real quick, these are the most advanced humanoid robots in the world. But first, please like and subscribe to this channel and then sit back and relax. Let's start with the latest, most advanced AI robot of all time, which is Ameca. Ameca is the most advanced humanoid robot in the world and represents the cutting edge of technology. The robot is also an artificial intelligence. That is, it uses machine learning to develop its skills. Ameca is the digital interface with the real world. Ameca isn't just a development tool, it's a state-of-the-art integration of the latest technology built to last. What can Ameca robot do? A lot. Created by Engineered Arts, Ameca is a humanoid robot that from his temple has given conversation to everyone who has come to meet him. In an addition, marked by remote proposals, Ameca wanted to demonstrate his capabilities in person because they are spectacular. Ameca not only has facial features strikingly human-like, but is capable of moving them to form facial expressions and using them as part of his speech. Thus, the robot can answer user questions not only with words but also with facial gestures and intonation. We already got a sneak peek back in December when Engineered Arts posted a video of Ameca's awakening. In it, we saw how the robot reacted to life with a gesture of surprise, blinking several times and looking at his arm with curiosity. Can the Ameca robot speak? As for his speech, Ameca knows how to speak fluently on different topics and is even capable of giving several different answers to the same question. Your software has limited answers. For example, when approached by a TN Tech correspondent asking for a solution to the economic situation in Argentina, the robot responded, "I can't answer that. You'll have to talk to my developers." The engineer in charge of the temple, Marcus Holt, then explained that there are human problems that only they can solve. Although an Ameca that solves this problem has not yet been created, the one we already have is perfect for performing customer service tasks. The creators explained that human-like artificial intelligence needs a human-like artificial body. Artificial intelligence and machine learning systems can be tested and developed at Ameca alongside the company's powerful Tritium robot operating system. Ameca's hardware is a development based on the company's research in humanoid robotics and built on advanced Mesmer technology. Can the Ameca robot walk? At the moment, he can't walk, but they continue to make upgrades to improve his abilities over time. The next step is to teach him to walk, but the creators clarify that this goal is still far away. At the moment, the robot is already housed in an artificial body similar to that of a human. You can rent or buy online. Ameca is a robot designed to entertain and communicate. Well, other advanced robots are somewhat similar to Ameca. For example, next to Ameca is Mesmer. Mesmer is an engineered arts system for building realistic humanoid robots. This is an expressive robot like no other. Mesmer consists of a system that combines robotics with animation software, which allows the creation of humanoid characters with incredible realism, which can be used in a wide range of scenarios. According to the company, this platform was designed to offer affordable options to the entertainment industry, all within a single fully customizable system of next-generation animatronics. Mesmer consists of 3 elements: animatronics complete with cameras, depth sensors, LiDAR sensors, and microphones, the firmware to make all the hardware work, and the software to control and animate these creations. With this, Engineered Arts ensures that we are facing an option that includes everything necessary to have a functional humanoid robot, without having to depend on various providers and systems, often incompatible. What can the Mesmer robot do? Mesmer can display a wide range of human emotions. Each Mesmer robot is designed and built from our 3D scans of real people. The level of realism is amazing since the animatronic has a large number of motors that operate silently, which can be adjusted according to needs. For example, each motor can be a vertebra and thus mimic the movement and anatomy of the human neck, among other things. The sensors in the robot are used for interaction since through the software they can be configured to detect the presence of people and even know if it is a man or a woman, and even calculate the age to start the interaction more precisely. To this day, Mesmer has been used in films such as Kong Skull Island, which was nominated for an Oscar 2018 for Best Visual Effects, as well as in museums such as Madame Tussauds in Shanghai. It is even compatible with telepresence software, so these robots could be used for customer service tasks. The company has developed 120 robots with a presence in 27 countries. How does the Mesmer robot work? According to Engineered Arts, their robots are easy to set up, as right now the platform is primarily aimed at artists and creatives, not developers. As they explain, the software allows you to drag and drop movements within a 3D model, which are then transferred to the robot. Another advantage is that the robot can be operated remotely over the internet. The company promises that in the future they will add more control and configuration possibilities by incorporating support for Python. This, through a new environment for developers. Engineered Arts does not offer a price for Mesmer, and it will depend on the specifications needed as well as the materials for the skin, which can range from silicone and wax to highly realistic artificial skin, even with real hair. What about Sophia? No, we can't forget Sophia. The most famous humanoid robot in the world is called Sophia, and it is manufactured by Hanson Robotics, a company based in Hong Kong. His advanced form of artificial intelligence allows him to behave very realistically. This, together with her attractive physical appearance, according to some, the features of her face are somewhat reminiscent of those of the actress Audrey Hepburn, has made it a media phenomenon of considerable importance. Sophia is not the only robot that looks like a famous character, as Albert Hub looks like Einstein. Sophia also became famous for being the first and only robot to receive the citizenship of a state, Saudi Arabia. This happened back in October 2017. The first robot citizen, in short. What can the robot Sophia do? The robot Sophia is capable of answering the questions put to her, for example, by journalists during the numerous television programs in which she appeared. She can also remember previous conversations and can learn new things from each of them. She also learns from the internet to which her AI is connected. In short, Sophia can talk to humans, has a sense of humor, and can make 62 facial expressions. That is, she can express emotions. Sophia's brain, the electronics that make her intelligent, is housed in her head and visible through a transparent cover on the back. How does the Sophia robot work? Sophia works according to logical processes based on artificial intelligence algorithms capable of evolving through learning. To teach Sophia to make human-like expressions, she was shown videos from movies and on the internet. Sophia publicly demonstrated her ability to produce the sound of famous movies by mimicking the original facial expressions of the actors. Sophia also knows how to sing. She participated in a music festival in Hong Kong, borrowing a voice and interpreting it with original expressions. We are in a surprising moment in humanity, where we are witnessing a scientific and technological vanguard. What we saw in science fiction movies of the 80s and 90s, although fueled by tragedy, is no longer very far from reality. The border between humans and robots is becoming more and more blurred, and we are seeing more and more hyper-realistic humanoid robots that copy human expressions, like in the movie I, Robot. This brings into our narrative the uncanny valley hypothesis, which posits that humans feel a mixture of interest and discomfort in the face of humanoid figures that looks imperfectly like us. Uncanny valley is a hypothesis applied in the field of robotics and 3D computer animation that states that when anthropomorphic replicas get too close to the appearance and behavior of a real human being, they cause a rejection response. Today, the British company Engineered Arts is at the forefront of robotics, designing the most advanced robots in the world, of which Ameca and Mesmer are part of them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe buttons, and the notification bell as well to get notified when new videos are uploaded to the channel. Please leave your thoughts about the most advanced AI robots on Earth in the comments section below. Thank you.